Okay, we have a Marvel tilt frame bandsaw, model Series 8 Mark III, serial number 840159. This machine was new in 2007. Now we're going to run it for you. Machine has tilt in both directions, 60 degrees, left and right, by power. Tilting back the other way. Machine also has double vices. All right.
Ready?
We're going to run the blade. There we go. The blade is variable, up to 400 feet per minute of speed.
Feeding.
Right now we're feeding the head through the material, or what would be material. We have a 5 horsepower main motor. You have a size of 18 by 22 in nominal in height.
Retract.
And now it's retracting when you pass through and hit the stop. There you go. All right. So you saw it has automatic return. You have power feed through the material. You have power tilt. The saw blade size is 1.25 inches. Length is 15 foot 4 inches, and the gauge is up to 0.042. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.